Yeah, guys, you welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, it's been a long day that I have posted on this channel. The main reason was that, guys, I'm gonna find the best thing, the reliable thing that will surely help you any way of your life that can get you much income, most especially that you can use in investing your fund any way that you wanna be. So guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you the latest investment in the town, which is the BitAll application. I'm gonna drop the link or the link to download the application in the video description. So every details about how you can get to use this application and earn money from it as well, it will be inside the description below, so you can simply click on the link over there and get your applications, download it, and then follow the instructions over there. If you have any questions, you can follow the instruction over there to get answers to your question, or message me directly via my email. I will be available to give you a response based on it. So guys, as I'm about to show you this, put it in mind first that this is not my website. It's just like something that I'm about to show to you guys that I have been doing, and I want you as well to benefit from it. As we all know that we are in the digital age, and there are so many stuff over there, so many bills over there that we need to pay, most especially in this 21st century. So guys, let us get into business. You have to do as well, if you downloaded this BitAll application, once the application is been downloaded, you can see it right over here like this. So once the application is being downloaded, the next thing you have to do is that you got to make a deposit of at least 30 USDT, 30 US dollar. I forgot to tell you guys, this investment pays you, and then you have to deposit as well with USDT. But there's a good news as well, that if you register, as you can see it on this home screen like this, if you register, they're gonna give you just 1 USDT for free, and you can start earning with that 1 USDT following the compensation plan that is given by this application management. So guys, to input a deposit, it is very simple over here. Downloading the application, it is very self-explanatory. So this is the receiver address for you to recharge. This is the USDT recharge. You can recharge your USDT either with TRC20 or ERC20 or BEP20, based on the one that you are using to receive funds from your Binance account or anywhere account. But for you to withdraw in this with this investment, which is very simple, is that you've got to download this application, which is right over here, the Hoopcoin application. It is available on the Play Store, and the link is in my video description. Just go over there, click on this URL to download this Hoopcoin wallet. With this Hoopcoin wallet, you'll be able to withdraw your money right from this vault into your Hoopcoin, and then from there it will link together, and then you'll be able to download you'll be able to withdraw your money from Hoopcoin, from the vault to the Hoopcoin account, and then from there everything will form into place. So guys, now how do you do this? What do you do to earn income from this application? It is very simple. This is the tax center, as you can see it down over here. This is the tax center that shows the amount of tax that you have completed, and these are the statistics. As you can see, the available USDT in my account now is $1. That is a registration one that I prefer not to withdraw, that I use to trade each time that I want to. And this is a team commission, and there are some levels over here as well for the beginners, the second level, third level, and something like that. That was when you refer some people. If you refer some people, you don't even have to complete any tax for you before you earn some money with this application, and from there everything will surely fall in place with you. So this is there you can check the statistics of your stuff over here, and then with that you will be able to complete your tax and get paid immediately by going to the market right there. You see, this is the market right there. Just use your available USDT right over here now to start trading on the market, and from there on you will earn your cool money as well from that. So guys, this is what I have to show you in this video. If you have any question, just try to check into the PDF that will be dropped inside the video description. And if it is not clear enough, you can message me and I'll be able to reply to you immediately and give you some guidelines about it as well. So guys, thank you, as I see you in my next video. Till then, stay home and stay safe.